Hey there, language learners. Welcome back to another powerful English guide. Have you ever been asked, "Tell me about yourself," and suddenly your mind goes blank? Or maybe you do answer, but it sounds too formal, too robotic, or just not you? Well, today's your breakthrough moment. In this guide, we're going to dive into how to introduce yourself like a native speaker, naturally, confidently, and with personality. Whether it's for a job interview, a new class, a networking event, or just meeting new friends online, I've got you covered with practical tips, real-life examples, and multiple styles to choose from. Let's go from awkward to awesome, starting now. Why introductions matter? Your introduction sets the tone. It's your first impression. Native speakers don't just state facts, they connect. They make it natural, friendly, and conversational, not a list of resume bullet points. So, how do you do that? Let's break it down into easy, repeatable techniques. 1. The basic native style introduction, casual. When to use it. New friends, online communities, social media chats, casual events. Instead of sounding stiff, go for something more warm and friendly. Example. Hey, I'm Sarah, but everyone just calls me Sari. I'm from Cape Town, South Africa, and I'm super into photography and hiking. I recently started learning English to connect with more people around the world, and honestly, it's been such a fun journey. Smart tip. Use contractions like I'm, I've, I'd. This instantly makes your speech sound smoother and more natural. Imagine you're chatting with a friend, not giving a school speech. 2. The professional native style introduction. When to use it. Job interviews, business meetings, LinkedIn networking, professional settings. Keep it clear, confident, and human. Example. Hi, my name's Omar, and I'm currently working as a marketing manager at a tech startup in Berlin. I specialize in digital campaigns and brand strategy, and I'm truly passionate about creating stories that connect people. Outside of work, I'm into reading nonfiction and volunteering for local community events. Pro technique. Balance confidence with warmth. Native professionals tend to humanize their intros with a hobby or side passion. It makes you more relatable and memorable. 3. The student native style introduction. When to use it. Classes, workshops, language clubs, study groups, online courses. Example. Hey everyone, I'm Anna, a second-year student at the University of Barcelona, majoring in environmental science. I'm really into sustainability and how tech can help the planet. In my free time, I enjoy sketching and exploring nature. I joined this course to boost my English fluency and connect with people who share similar interests. Study hack. Include why you're learning English. Native speakers often share their goals. It shows direction and makes conversation easier. 4. Add a personal story, like a native. Stories make you stand out. Native speakers often include a small, meaningful story when they introduce themselves. It builds connection and breaks the ice. Example. Funny thing, I actually started learning English just to understand the lyrics of my favorite songs. But over time, I found myself watching English interviews, movies, and even dreaming in English. It's been a wild but exciting ride. Why it works. Stories are emotional, personal, and memorable. They give your listener something to relate to, and they show your personality beyond labels. 5. Use body language and tone. How you speak is just as important as what you say. Smile warmly. Keep your tone friendly and enthusiastic. Use natural hand gestures. Maintain eye contact, even through the camera lens. Don't rush. Speak with calm energy. Even native speakers sound awkward if their tone is flat or nervous. Confidence and authenticity shine more than perfect grammar. 6. Useful native phrases to include. Sprinkle these into your intro to sound fluent and natural. Nice to meet you. I'm currently based in. I'm really into. I've been working on. One fun fact about me is, by the way, I'm passionate about. Lately, I've been learning. They keep your introduction flowy and friendly, just like native conversations. 7. Use the 5S formula to structure your intro. If you're unsure how to start, use this formula as your base. Start, greeting, plus. Name, study, work, what you do. Story, something personal, hobby, passion, why you're learning English. Style, a fun or unique fact. Say goodbye, a polite, friendly sign-off. Example, hi, I'm Diego. I'm currently based in Mexico City and I work in IT support. I've always been passionate about solving problems, and recently I've started learning English to expand my career opportunities. One fun fact about me, I love cooking street food at home. It's great to meet you all.
Introducing yourself like a native isn't about using big words, it's about being natural, confident, and real. Practice different versions for different situations. Use personal stories to stand out. Keep it short, friendly, and expressive. Record yourself, listen back, and improve your tone. Remember, the more you practice, the easier it gets. Soon, you'll own the room or Zoom every time someone says, "Tell me about yourself." Your introduction is your first impression, and it tells people more than just your name. It tells them your vibe, your goals, and your story. Final takeaways: be clear, concise, and expressive. Match the tone to the situation. Casual vs. formal. Add personality. Share what excites you. Practice out loud until it feels natural. Use native-like phrases and stories to build connection. And remember, fluency isn't about perfection. It's about connection. So whether you're talking to a stranger or giving a presentation, now you have the tools to introduce yourself like a true native. The more you practice, the easier it gets. Soon, you'll own the room or Zoom every time someone says, "Tell me about yourself." If you found this guide helpful, share it with your friends who are also learning English. And don't forget to follow and come back for more confidence-boosting English tips. Now, go out there and introduce yourself like a native because you can.